What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Ray worked computers since 1996. Got my new YouTube channel, the old Geek. Okay, I'm here to show you how to do your affiliate websites the right way. Okay, if you want to go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in that box, and I will guide you on your journey to affiliate success. Okay, now I love Webstarts. More features than any other website builder, and it's the ultimate drag and drop. And when it says more features than any other website builders, that is not an understatement. Okay, that is not an understatement, and it's not an overstatement. When it says more features than any other websites, they have unbelievable stuff. One-stop shopping for everything that you need: e-commerce, email marketing, affiliate marketing, brick and mortar. Okay, you can even have a membership site. Okay, so now in the last video, I took these private label rights real quick. I even got an ebook. It's got great information in all of these things. Alright, this is the ebook, and I also going to show you how to make the lead capture pages as well. So now this is 10 interesting facts about social media. Now what we're going to do is we're going to keep going on this a little bit. I'm going to show you how to use the private label rights. Now we're just going to move this down. Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. So now Webstarts, they got this little feature. This guy Adam, the owner of this company, the guy that designed all this stuff back in 2004. Okay, now it's getting a little late. This old Geek, my eyes start to go after about 15 or 20 hours doing this stuff. Okay, now I just put that there temporarily just to show you what an ultimate drag and drop this is, man. I can't express it enough. You go to any other platform, you're never going to get this type of drag and drop system to where you'll be able to put anything anywhere on your web page and on your websites, okay, including all the features what it has with the shopping carts and all that stuff like that. Okay, so now we're going to continue here. Alright, so we're going to add some text. Okay, let me see it. Did I do it with this? I don't think I did it with this, but let's go, right? Put everything in this notepad that came with the private label rights thing. Okay, I'm just going to hit Control and the letter C to copy that. I'm going to hit the letter Control and the letter A. Okay, so look at this. I mean, it's just fantastic. A little adjustment. Boom ski. Okay, so there's one. Back to the notepad, we're going to take 2. Okay, and you can use your mouse. You could do copy and paste. Okay. Add the text. I absolutely love Webstarts. Okay, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, you can go here. Double click it, right click it, left click it. Okay, let's see where it got me here. Spread it out again. A lot of doomskis. Okay, line it up. Okay, there we go. Now every time you do a couple of things, you're going to want to save it. Alright. Let's go again. We're going to add some text. Again, by far the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, I'm going to go back to my text file. I'm only going to do a couple more of these. You get the picture now. We're going to do 5 here. Copy it. Click that. Double click it, highlight it, paste it, adjust it. Bada boom. Okay, let's get it in place where it wants to be. Now we can actually put the grid lines back on if you want to judge by that. Okay, that's another thing you can do. Again, the ultimate drag and drop, and I can't express it enough. You're not going to find this on any other platform. I challenge you to find this on any other platform. Okay, especially for the money that you pay for this. Now, this website that I'm making, it's free. Say it with the old DOS Geek. If it's for free, it's for me, baby. Okay? I'm going to go there. I'm going to paste it in. How does this happen? Let's get it going. Sometimes you got to adjust it. This got a little bit more text than the other one, alright? But no worries. Double click. Okay. Edit. Oh, set itself right up. Alright? Smashing. Let's bring it out. We can bring it out some more. And again, this, you know, these guidelines are just guidelines. I can go past that if I wanted to. Okay, I can go past that if I wanted to. Okay, see where it takes us. How far can we go? Alright, well, we'll leave it there for now. We're good. Any more, any less. Okay, so we're going to take this up here like this. Look at this, ultimate drag and drop. Get that out of my way. Oh, look, it corrected itself. How about that? How about that, kids? Okay. We're going to do one more of these. Okay, one more. Copy. Okay. And text. Home speed. Select all. Paste me. Again, I'm just doing it like this because just for the sake of this video to show you how quickly and easily we could do this stuff. Okay. Now let's save it again and see how it looks. And my rule of thumb is usually if I do like 2 or 3 things, okay, I definitely, let's get rid of that there. Go directly to the site. Again, you see this here? Alright, see that up there where I'm pointing that over here? Okay. Alright, it's a new thing by Google. I named this new website free website at, and then it's a subdomain, so it's .webstarts.com. So again, I told you this in the other video. If you have, say, recipes or, you know, for dog walking, it could be like my dog walking information at webstarts.com. You know what I'm saying? All right, you know, you see how this rolls. Look at how quickly and easily I did this. Now, I'm trying not to make these videos too long. Okay, so let's just drag this up by the dragger. Okay, we can get rid of that. Remember, this is just the grid lines. Okay, we don't have to go by the grid lines. Okay, bada do. Okay, and then you could put something in here to learn the 5 more. Get the whole entire book. Okay, capiche? You get the picture, right? Let's see how all this looks. Bada do, beautiful site. Okay. Now you could flip the script and you could put this right on the top. Okay. Flip the script, put it right on the top. Drag it all down. I like to do it like this. Watch this. I'm going to hold the shift key and I'm going to click on each one of these with my mouse. Watch this little trick. Moved a little bit, but that's okay. Alright. Then I'm going to hold the control key and hit the X. Then I'm going to add my divider again. Just to do it very quickly, again for the sake of this video. I'm going to move you all the way up there. Okay. I'm going to get rid of the line. Actually, I should have kept that heading up there. But now we're gonna go like this. We're going to hold control. We're going to hit V. And then we're just going to drag it all down. You see, now that's attached to my mouse now. Okay, so I'm just going to drag it all down. Drag it down. Okay, boom. And this one, I want that upstairs. So I'm going to drag this up there. Okay. Attach it to the page. Do like this. Like this, the ultimate drag and drop, kids. The ultimate drag and drops. Now you sign up with the old Geek and you get Webstarts going. Okay? So that's way down there. Look at that. That's way down there. Now watch this. Here comes everybody. That's everybody. Got it? You getting it? Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. Like no other. Look, I gotta go up even more. I'm not paying attention because I'm so excited about this stuff. Okay, spot a bam, save that guy, come right here, do like this. Look at that, eh? Look at that. Does it get any simpler than that? Alright, number 5 is a little off key. Let's get number 5 back where it needs to be. Boom, boom. Ultimate drag and drop Webstarts. See you 5. Look at that, eh? Look at that. So this is Ray, the old Geek. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and hit that notification button because I got oodles and oodles of stuff to show you guys. Okay, I'm going to help you get your affiliate websites up and running perfectly. You sign up through my link in the description for Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. And I will give you tech support, custom tech support. You ask me, Ray, how do you change this color? How do I match this color from the picture that I got? You ask me, Ray, how do I set up my lead magnet page? Okay, I will make you custom videos to suit your needs. rwcweb.com